This is so unique.
Yeah.
Why them have the mirror hide? Look on the lion. OMG. I'm heading back to Kingston and I'm going through Santa Cruz to Mandeville. I'm gonna have to go Mandeville. So may bring another along with me for that journey. Just then you mark it away when the bus will fall. So hello guys, just checking in. I am at Santa Cruz now in a taxi waiting to go to Mandeville, and yes, I will bring you along with me. Normally when I come to Santa Cruz I'll just take a Kingston bus, you know, heading straight to Kingston, but I have some things to do in Mandeville, so I'm gonna circle up there, then take a Mandeville bus to Kingston. And you from the sound of my voice, you can know I'm sick. Yes, the rain wet me up and my kitchen will keep cool, so I have to be taking both medication and I'm gonna take shots too. So even though the medicine kind of finished, I'm still approaching this from a holistic way, taking my turmeric shots and stuff like that. It's pretty sunny here in Santa Cruz. The place hot. Compared to Friday when I was here, it's the sun out and it has shine, but Santa Cruz is normally a hot place. Like in the scheme, whether you're the upstairs or downstairs, it's just hot always, but it's a nice place to be. Country vibes, yeah. So I will have clips on my way to Mandeville and also going to where I'm going, so I will check in with you guys there. Bye. checking back with y'all. I'm in Mandeville now. There's somewhere named California. Just leave Hatfield. I may have some other place where else to go. So I will be checking in with you guys. Guys, me get to know the place. All me didn't know just Mandeville town, so me get to know more than Mandeville town. So I'm checking back with you now. Yes, this is where I'm at. Yeah, look over there, so I don't know where there's some name. So I say I'm just touring.
Commission and observed by the independent auditing firm.
There's spreadsheet, you'll like get gas and then go continue move up about. Guys, here in this place appears in Mandeville and they sell what me eat. So I'm getting some stuff, aki patty, soup and stuff. Give me I need a small soup as well. Yeah, and it's pretty nice. These are the things. Yes. Can I have some allergies? But I'm in Bashco, Mandeville with my bestie and his friend. Say hi. Are you mean to say no?
YouTube or TikTok?
Alright, enter you see said sideways so a YouTube.
Oh, yeah, YouTube.
We just finished. Somebody in there look for something and just to come here get myself get really familiar with the place. I really like these. They're like, look one more for $1,700. This is nice. This is so nice. And this one here. The Bashco here is very different from the one in Kingston. I kind of like the one here. No, me kinda. I like this one. What you buying?
I shop on what you like to buy.
I not buy a thing. First of all, I don't like Christmas.
I shop what you like.
Which share them there? These are nice. You have one of them here? I need two of these. Oh, so you want to give me $300? My hair look so nice, but anyway, I have allergies. The change of climate have beat me, to whoop me wicked. Oh my God, over the hose cold. Me have on the phone. No wonder I don't want to stay there anymore. Sorry.
Oh, ready.
These, I'm just see them. I know no man in my house, you know, as long as I look at me in the night, and plus our ID had two color.
Can you tell about that?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's like this. Completely black.
Mm-hmm.
You never see a person, you see the outline of the person on two white thingies. So. Hey, whatever. Hey. Oh yeah, let's check them out. Let's see. Alright, long enough.
And I appreciate the cat to get this to be a vegan. This is because the burger king go do. Yeah? You told her vegan? Taya? This is so unique.
Yeah.
Why them have the mirror hide? Look on the lion. OMG.
I'm inspired with this sort of gallery.
Yup.
AI generates art with a high quality print.